children, welcome to ASA Education. आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 110 रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक। ये आपका पार्ट 2 है करेक्ट यूसेज, जिसमें हम कर रहे हैं चैप्टर 17 एग्रीमेंट ऑफ द वर्ब विद द सब्जेक्ट। यहाँ पर आपको इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस सप्लाई अ वर्ब इन एग्रीमेंट विद इट्स सब्जेक्ट। पहला है टू टेक पे एंड देन not to do work is dishonest. The cost of all these articles has risen. The jury is divided in their opinions. That night, everyone of the boat's crew was down with fever. One or the other of those fellows has stolen the watch. The strain of all the difficulties and vexations and anxieties was more than he could bear. No news is good news. The accountant and the cashier have absconded. A good man and useful citizen has passed away. The famous juggler and conjurer is too unwell to perform. The Three Musketeers was written by Dumas. Each of the suspected men was arrested. The ebb and flow of the tides were explained by Newton. 90 rupees is too much for this bag. The cow as well as the horse eats grass. Neither his father nor his mother is alive. There are many objections to the plan. 2/3 of the city are in ruins. The formation of paragraphs is very important. Man's happiness or misery is in a great measure in his own hands. तो ये आपकी एक एक्सरसाइज थी ऑन सप्लाई अ वर्ब इन एग्रीमेंट विद इट्स सब्जेक्ट। आपको सही लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।